Using the Advanced Search Builder in PubMed makes advanced searching easy and organized. If you have already completed a concept table with mesh terms and keywords, pull up that document for your reference. In my example search, I have identified 3 concept groups for my inquiry: nurses, health literacy, and rural areas. In my Word document, I have grouped my concepts with parentheses, added or between the mesh terms and keywords, and added and between the concept groups. So my search looks like this. To open the Advanced Search Builder in PubMed, click on the word Advanced under the search bar from the PubMed homepage. Next, copy your concept groups from the Word document and paste them into the PubMed window one at a time. Click on Add to History between each pasted concept group. This will allow you to test run your searches without being pulled away from the Advanced Search Builder screen. After you have added all of your concept groups to your search history, you can now combine them by clicking on Add to the left of the search in the history box. Clicking on Add automatically inserts the searches into the Advanced Search Builder row by row and sets the Boolean operator to AND between each row. Once your searches have been added, click on Search to go to the results page.